Hey community! Welcome back to my channel. A few days ago, I wrote a blog about how AI is used in Databricks, and I thought, why not make a video version of it for you all? If you've heard about Databricks but have no clue what it really does or how AI fits in, stay tuned. I'll explain everything in simple words. Read it here. So first, what is Databricks? Think of it like a workspace for data and AI. It's a cloud platform where teams can store, clean, and analyze data, and even build AI models, all in one place. Usually, you need a bunch of different tools for all that. But Databricks brings everything together, so teams can work faster and smarter. It's kind of like Google Docs, but for data and AI projects. Now let's talk about how AI actually works inside Databricks. There are two main ways Databricks helps you build AI. Databricks uses AI to help you work smarter. If you're building an AI model, like one that predicts sales or spots fraud, Databricks gives you everything you need. You can load your data, train your model, test your results, and track everything with a built-in tool called MFlow. It makes the whole process easier, even if you're new to AI. Now this is the fun part. Databricks actually uses AI to make your work easier too. It has a built-in AI assistant that helps write code or fix errors. It can automatically build models using AutoML. And you can even ask questions in plain English like, "Show me the top-selling products from last month," and Databricks will give you the answer. So, how do companies actually use Databricks and AI? Here are a few examples. Retail stores use it to predict what customers will buy next. Banks use it to detect fraud. Hospitals use it to study patient data. Factories use it to predict when machines might break. Basically, any company with data can use Databricks and AI to make smarter decisions. AI can sound complex, but Databricks makes it simple. It brings everything data, AI tools, and people into one place. That means less confusion, faster results, and smarter decisions. If you want to read the full blog I wrote on this topic, the link is in the description below. Go check it out. And hey, if this video helped you understand Databricks a little better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's curious about AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.